Welcome to the Montessori classroom, a place where children learn by doing, developing independence, confidence, and a deep love for learning. At the heart of every Montessori environment is practical life, a fundamental area of learning that evolves with the child's development. Let's explore how practical life activities change across different stages of a child's growth. Infant and toddler, 0 to 3 years, learning through movement and care of self. At this stage, young children are absorbing everything from their environment. Practical life activities focus on gross and fine motor development, simple self-care tasks like washing hands and putting on shoes, basic food preparation, such as spreading butter on crackers, carrying and pouring small objects to refine coordination. These hands-on experiences satisfy their natural desire to do things on their own and help them gain control over their movements. Primary, 3 to 6 years, refining skills and gaining independence. Between the ages of 3 and 6, children refine their skills and develop concentration through practical life activities like pouring, spooning, and transferring objects with precision, preparing snacks and setting the table, sweeping, dusting, and caring for plants, grace and courtesy lessons, learning how to greet others and express gratitude. These activities help children build focus, confidence, and a sense of responsibility. Lower elementary, 6 to 9 years, expanding practical life into the community. As children enter the elementary years, practical life extends beyond the classroom and into the larger community. They develop real-world skills through planning and preparing meals, organizing their workspace and personal belongings, managing time with schedules and task lists, practicing social responsibility through classroom jobs and service projects. At this stage, children take on bigger responsibilities and develop problem-solving skills through collaboration. Upper elementary, 9 to 12 years, practical life as preparation for life. In the later elementary years, practical life activities shift toward independence and leadership. Children engage in financial literacy, budgeting and managing class funds, planning and executing projects like fundraising events or business ventures, leadership roles in classroom management and peer mentoring, advanced cooking and home care skills. These experiences prepare them for adolescence and adulthood, giving them confidence in their ability to contribute meaningfully to the world. From infancy to adolescence, practical life in the Montessori classroom is more than just learning everyday tasks. It is a foundation for independence, responsibility, and lifelong success. By engaging in real, meaningful work, Montessori children gain a sense of purpose, confidence, and the skills they need to navigate the world with competence and grace. Want to learn more about the Montessori approach? Visit us at waterfrontacademy.org to discover how Montessori education nurtures the whole child.